Life skills play a major role in the health and well being of a child. The life skills mastered by a child will definitely help the child to face the challenges boldly in life. Here we are going to discuss some of the life skills which must be mastered by the children who belong to this age group. Know your feelings. Make the child understand that feelings are useful, even the uncomfortable ones. A bad feeling can be changed by doing something that we like. Same situation give different types of feelings to different people. We have to make the children understand all this. But how we can make them understand all this? Here are few suggestions. Suggestion 1. Ask your child to share a situation which made him happy and also let him explore really what made him happy about that particular situation. You give an opportunity for your child to explore what is happiness and what makes them happy. Change the situation and make the child to speak about other feelings. Ask your child whether he enjoys roller coaster ride. If he enjoys the ride, he says yes. But if the child who is afraid of roller coaster says no, here we get an opportunity to make the child understand that the same situation makes them feel in a different way. One child enjoys being in the situation, another child is afraid of the same situation. So we have to respect the feeling of other people. We need to make the child understand two things very clearly. Everyone is good at something. I am good at drawing, you are good at singing. See, people have different strength, different skills that they have to understand. Second thing, every one of us, we feel so happy when we do something that we are good at. We, as a parent, need to support the child to master the skill in which the child is good at. We are not supposed to make the child to learn something which they don't like. Some parents ask me, how can I identify the talents of my child? Here is a list of talent you can look for in a child. Reading stories, writing stories, remembering a thing for a long time, playing with numbers, remembering or doing some mathematical calculation, singing, drawing, speaking, being jovial, playing with others, watching nature related shows on TV. All these things are some of the talents. You can find one or more such talents in your child. Whenever they have free time, you allow them to spend more time to improve their talents. Don't force them to do something which they don't like. And another very important thing is don't compare the talent of your child with the talent of another child. Instead, you can encourage your child to fine tune their talent. Me and my body parts. When someone has a baby, the first question most of the people ask is it a boy or a girl? As the baby grows, naturally it becomes a boy or a girl and adopts different types of hairstyle and a clothing pattern. And children, they have to understand one thing in this age very clearly. Most of the body parts are common in both boys and girls. Only few are different. They have to understand this fact. One day, one child was learning about the parts of the body. He used a picture and he was identifying the parts in the picture. And he pointed out his private part to his father and told him that this particular part is missing in the picture. See, this kind of situation gives us an opportunity to talk to the child, to speak about what is a private part, what is a public part, what is the difference between these two. All these things we have to clarify, and we have to give an opportunity for every child to identify the correct part, and they must know what is the correct name for each part. Esprit Academy is ready to help your child to master the required life skills. We do one-to-one online counseling. Self-introspection worksheets will be shared with the students through email or WhatsApp. Interested parents can enroll your child in health and well-being education program with Esprit Academy. Download the registration form from the description, fill the details, and send the registration form to contact@esprit.com. Thank you.